morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, I believe. I just made me some iced coffee. I was going to make it hot because it's kind of chilly out, but I don't know, I just like iced coffee better. I'm actually gonna go and see how cold it is. I might sit out here. Oh no, it feels so good. Okay, I'm definitely gonna sit out here. So I'm gonna go grab Gray. Sitting in here. Put your foot down. I need this foot. Big girl, thank you. Thank you. Good morning. Hi. We just woke up, so yeah, normally I like to come out here and just drink my coffee. And recently I've been bringing my Bible back out. I haven't opened my Bible in a very long time. I've had this Bible for 4 or 5 years now, and I got this at Books A Million, which I don't know if all states have Books A Million. I know for a fact, just like any bookstore you can go in. And I have the Message. I feel like the Message is the easiest for me to read because I'm gonna be honest, the Bible is very hard to understand for me. And I feel like the Message is really great. So if you guys struggle to understand the Bible, definitely check out the Message because it's just a lot easier to understand. So then I also put these tabs in about 5 years ago as well. So yeah, I'm going to read one of my favorite passages, which is I think Romans 8 I really like. And I think I tab a lot on top too, just so that it's easy to just look back at, and I've got like notes in it and everything. So I really want to get back into my Bible because I don't know, I just really need to. Romans is my favorite. I even have a tab right here that says life verse, and it's Romans 12, 1 through 2. Don't become so well adjusted to your culture that you fit into it without even thinking. I think that's so important. I literally live by that. And then another one that I have is I'm very, oh, baby girl, you just dropped your binky. I'm very quick to get defensive over things. And kind of, she's still playing with her toys. I'm like really quick to get defensive over things like comments and just like opinions about my life, kind of. And I don't know why I just like decided to like share. I had no intention on even vlogging today, but I just kind of wanted to. But yeah, I'm the type of person that gets very defensive, and just because I'm on social media, I feel like that doesn't give me a reason to just sit back and watch people just attack me. And so I highlighted this years ago, and when I was, you know, in church and, you know, all that stuff, when I was like really deep into church and all that, like that phase of my life, which I need to get back into, but it's just really hard right now with everything going on and with Gray and all that, which isn't an excuse. It's just truly hard for time. But Romans 17 through 19 says, don't hit back, discover beauty in everyone. If you've got it in you, get along with everybody. Don't insist on getting even. That's not for you to do. I'll do the judging, says God. I'll take care of it. So I need to open this up more because wow. And I knew that I had highlighted that for a reason because I'm such a defensive person, but now, and that verse has helped me for years, like seriously for years. Sometimes I'll like do a snipey comment back if it's like a really mean comment that I don't understand, but most of the time I just delete the comments. And that verse really helps because it just reminds you to not do the judging yourself, let God do the judging. And yeah, anyways, I'm just gonna sit here, drink my coffee, and read a little bit. I do want to try a mask tonight, which I've seen really cool things about this mask. It's like the Foreo mask or something like that. I don't know if you guys have heard of it. It's a really bougie mask, but it's really different. You don't just like put it on and let it sit. It's like this little device thing. Oh, it seems so cool, and I got it in the mail yesterday, so I was like, oh, I really want to try it out. So we're gonna try that later. So I have a super huge Bath & Body Works haul. It's not like super big, but I did end up buying a lot of Christmas stuff at Bath & Body Works, so I just wanted to share with you guys before I put all of this away, because I am decorating for Christmas, which is really exciting. So I'm just going to show you what I got, because I found some super amazing finds this year. I feel like their scents this year are amazing. I don't know, there's one in here that I'm just like, ooh, I think it's Christmas cider or something like that. Oh my gosh. So this is a little candle stand. Oh, I'm trying to clear out my email all day today, and they just like keep coming through, but I've been on top of it all day today, so that's exciting. Anyways, I found this and I was like, that is the cutest thing ever. And you just stick your candle right on top of this. Yes, you just stick your candle right there. And it's so, the little thing is coming off. I just think this is so, so cute. So I cannot wait to put this out. This was $29.95. And then this candle is from White Barn. I love White Barn's like aesthetic and everything. This is Autumn Woods, and it has dark walnut, English lavender, white amber, and essential oils. This one smells really good. This one's not really Christmassy. It just kind of is a smelly good candle for like all year round. And then I did get a new little candle stand. So I've had a candle stand, like the same one, for about 3 years now, so I wanted to switch it up, and I thought this little snowman was so cute, and then it's got like the Christmas trees and all that, so I just thought this was so beautiful, and this was $16. If you guys are not new to my channel, you know that this year I'm decorating with trucks and stuff, so I don't know, you might not know that, but I am. And I found this little wall plug, and it's so cute. It just matches literally everything. The wall, or what is it, the wrapping paper that I'm using this year has like this exact red truck on it, and I just thought it was perfect, so I grabbed that. And I grabbed some wallflowers as well. Cinnamon stick, I think they were like 5 for $25. I got Welcome Home, which Welcome Home smells so good. And I got Marshmallow Fireside. I got Sweater Weather, which is a classic. And then I got another Welcome Home because it just smells so delicious. So I guess I didn't get that much. I ended up getting, so this is what I was talking about, Christmas cider. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. What are the notes? I haven't even read the notes. Mulled cinnamon, crushed clove, creamy nutmeg, simmering cider, and essential oils. That just sounds so good. I could sit here and sniff this all stinking day. It smells so good. I did get 2 of these, but I left one with my sister in Florida because she's like, that smells good, give it to me. So I was like, okay, whatever. So I did give her one. And then this one is from White Barn. This is Pumpkin Apple. Oh, this one smells so good too. I don't know. The Christmas cider just smells amazing. This one has red delicious apple, fall pumpkin, fresh ground cinnamon, clove buds, and essential oils. So good. Oh, and I love the color of it. It's so beautiful. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to show y'all what I got. And I'm just so excited to burn these candles, y'all. I'm so excited. Have you guys ever seen my house look this messy? Oh my goodness. I actually just got back from Florida from the weekend, and I look rough because I drove yesterday all day to come back home. And I'm still a little sick. I know I mentioned in my I don't even know if it's up. Like I'm just like, I have a million things to do today and I just want to decorate for Christmas and chill. I've got some videos that need to be edited because my SD cards are all out of storage and I can't delete what's on my camera unless my videos are edited, because then I'll completely lose the footage. So I have to get on that because I have about 10 minutes of filming time. I just did a grocery order because I came back and we really don't have like meals to cook. So I'm just gonna pop something in the crock pot tonight. I think I'm gonna make like this chicken chili because it's so cold outside, and I don't know, but what else do I have to do? I don't even know. I don't even think that I showed you guys my Christmas tree. I decorated for Christmas already. I decorated about 2 weeks ago, way before Halloween, but I'm sure by the time you see this, everyone's Christmas decorations will be up, so I don't feel too bad about it. And I'm going to upset you guys because I know I'm getting like so many messages about my yearly Christmas decorate with me. So I am not doing that this year. I won't be doing Vlogmas. I know it's really sad because those are the videos that I know you guys look forward to the most. I will, instead of a Christmas decorate with me, I wanted to do this year a little different. So I'll just go around the house showing you all of the areas that are decorated for Christmas. I feel like that would be a lot better and way easier for me to edit because I'm very behind on my work, and it's just been really hard because usually during this time of year with influencers, it's our schedules get so packed with sponsorships and filming because we have so many like creative video. I mean, I'm not very creative, but so many video ideas for Christmas, and just like everything for influencers happens in like 3 months, and it's really hard to keep up. I don't know, maybe instead of Vlogmas, maybe I'll try to post a little bit more, but not do Vlogmas. Maybe I'll do like a weekly Vlogmas. Let me know if you guys would like that, instead of every day like I did last year, because last year was really hard on me, and it was just really hard, and I can't imagine doing Vlogmas this year with a baby. And we're also not going to be home this year for Vlogmas, so that's a huge thing. We're going to Tennessee, so I won't have my computer to edit and all that stuff. So it's that's the main reason why I won't be doing Vlogmas, is because I won't even be home, and we're gonna be with like the whole entire family, Austin's whole family. So today's been a little rough because I just got back. Me and Gray are both sick, and she's teething so bad. She already has her 2 teeth. She has another one coming in, and then I'm pretty sure she has a couple in the back coming in. So she's been refusing to take her bottle all day. We're like wrestling each other trying to get this bottle in her mouth. So yeah, it's just a lot, and I don't even know, like, I don't know what my life is right now. Do you ever get in those moods where you're like, I just want to sit, but then you look at everything and you're like, I gotta get on this. My email is like flooded. I have 300 emails that I need to go through. Oh my gosh. Anyways, I wanted to show you guys what I did. So I did do the Christmas tree. I'll go in more in depth in the video. I've already got some presents down here. These are Gray's presents. So these little tags, I got these from Vistaprint. If you follow me on Instagram, I think I've already talked about these, but yeah, you can customize your own gift tags on Amazon, Vistaprint. And then this wrapping paper is from Hobby Lobby. So I have this one to wrap. This one's for my mom. Those are just empty, but yeah, I've been wrapping those this morning. So I just got an email saying that all my sponsorships are being pushed back because of the election this week. That just makes things like 10 times more complicated, because now I have to spend hours switching all my scheduled posts. Oh my god. I told you guys that I really wanted to try out this mask that I got, and I'm really excited. It's not sponsored or anything, but it just looks so cool. It looks like, I don't even know, like I've never seen a mask look like this, and I feel like This would be such a good Christmas gift if this works good. So I might have to get my family one of these because, well, I don't know, because it's like really expensive. But it looks like this. This is like a $200 mask. Like, are you kidding me? They did send this to me, but I'm not like obligated to talk about it or anything, but I just genuinely like am so curious about this. It's a heated LED power mask. They sent me 2 masks. So they have a Make My Day Hydrating and Anti-Pollution Mask, and then also a Revitalizing and Nourishing Mask. Oh, so you get like multiple in here. It says hold down the power button, so I'm guessing it's right here, for 5 seconds. It's blinking. Hold on, I'm confused. I'm gonna take this, see what is inside of, I don't know how to, I thought it was just like a jelly inside, so I was like, how do I put the jelly inside of here? You just take this little ring off, and there's actually like a little, like actual mask in here. So it looks like that. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Right on top of there. And then you want to seal it with that. And now we start it. So you go to your app. This is like a new way of masking. This is crazy. Okay, and you want to hold. Oh, it's already on. Okay, start. Gotta scan my mask. So it's red.
Distributing mask essence.
Ooh, it's cold. Oh my god.
Allow your mind and body to slowly
That was really cold.
LED and a gentle warmth. Prepare your skin to receive the full benefit.
When does the
complex.
when does the warmness come in? Oh, okay, it's heating up. Okay, this is genius. What?
Relax and enjoy a soothing facial massage as
Do you
T-sonic
hear it?
pulsations infuse moisture into your skin
Oh
for a radiant, healthy-looking complexion.
It's literally heating up. My camera is dying. Oh no. So as the colors change, it tells you what the LED is doing to your skin. Wow, this feels so good. I'm totally linking this down below. Oh my gosh, I want to get everyone this for Christmas. And another thing is you don't have to wipe this off. Like, you can just leave this on, which I love. I feel like that's so inconvenient with masks nowadays. You put it on, you have to wait for it to get hard. Then you have to either peel it off or wash it off. This just like sits on your skin. Okay, my camera's dying. Thank you for watching this vlog. I'm going to be here, okay? I will, is it done? No, I want to do it again.